Goodbye, pulling freight cars. Hello, exciting passenger coaches. Oh, I can't wait to start. It will be you and me and nobody. Derek? Is that you? Hudson, what are you doing here? I always come to work at 6 a.m. This is when I take the 20th Century Limited. What are you doing here? Well, I forgot my, and what train are you pulling? Why are you in front of 20th Century Limited? Well, and why are you acting so nervous? And why are you sweating so much? And why are you fit to explode? And... No, wait. It's not what you think. You got to believe me, Listen, you old steampot. I am telling you, you better listen to me. You like passenger coaches, don't you, Derek? Yes, I admit it, Hudson. I love passenger coaches. I knew it all along, Derek. Nobody can resist only. Take the 20th Century Limited. Will you be careful in the switch in the... I'll get the crane.